What if I told you that the top GCSE students don't revise in the way you think they do? In fact, they do something that actually sounds completely backwards, and it felt backwards to me when I first learned about it, and it's the reason the exams were so easy for them. I learned this in a prestigious maths course at the Royal Institute in London, surrounded by the best students in the country, and here's what shocked me. They weren't just doing past papers, they were doing something else. They were tackling questions harder than their exams. And this single habit does three powerful things that you've probably never thought about. First, it raises the bar significantly. When regular practice is A-level style questions on a GCSE topic, your brain rewires and suddenly a standard GCSE question doesn't look that hard anymore. It looks familiar. And the other thing is, the second thing, and this is a big one, it forces connections. So harder questions don't just test one topic. They usually have to weave algebra, geometry, problem solving into a single challenge to make it more complex. And this shows you how the entire syllabus fits together. And that's usually why A-level students look back on GCSE and think, oh, that makes a lot more sense now, instead of it just feeling like random chapters. And third and final thing is, it's a psychological power move. You're not just revising algebra, you're revising algebra, graphs, numbers, skills all at once. You're building a mental web of the knowledge as you're using it, and your brain has then multiple pathways to find the solution. I'm Alex, a GCSE maths tutor, and I bring this top student hack and this mindset into every one of my students. We don't just learn the syllabus, we build the connections, confident thinking, and this leads to top grades. In your free one-on-one session with me, I'll identify the specific topics that we can link together for you, creating your first power move revision plan. Ready to think like a top student? Book your free session now.